Mrs. Usman. I wanted to show you what's in your art box that is coming home. You have watercolors, and inside here you have a paintbrush. And inside your school box you will have crayons, a scissors, a pencil, glue, a sharpener, and markers. And these are all brand new. How fun is that? I love new school supplies. So I'm going to use my pencil box. We're going to make a flag. So all of your supplies are in your folder for this week. You'll have a rectangle with glue, 2 pieces of red paper, and 1 piece of white paper. So inside the box, you're going to get out your scissors. With 1 piece of paper, you're going to cut strips. So you're going to put your thumb in the thumb hole and the rest of your fingers down below. And your thumb's going to point to the ceiling every time you cut. So you're going to go cut, 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 cut all the way through. And sometimes it gets stuck, but that's okay. We are learning and it's okay. They can be thick, they can be thin, and if they're not perfectly cut, that is okay too because we are learning. That's why we have school. And you can make as many as you want or as few as you want in whatever size. Okay? And you're going to go in your box and get out your glue stick. And you're going to glue your strips onto your white paper to make the stripes. Because this week we're going to talk about stripes. Red, white, and blue, and stripes. What kind of stripe things do you have around your house? Do you have a striped tiger in your house? Do you have a striped dinosaur in your house? Can you look around your house and see what has stripes? So far this is what I have. And you're going to add your blue square. And then we're going to send home some stars. You can glue on as many as you like, or as few as you like. And these are white, just like our regular flag that we have. I'm just going to put on 3 for now to show you. Then with your other paper, you're going to fold it. And this you're going to help from Mom and Dad. Any way you fold it is perfect. Then you can either tape it shut or staple it shut, and you're going to staple it on here. And you're going to have your flag. And you can take it around your house and make a parade and have everybody watch, and you can wave, practice your wave. But you can also look around the house and see what is white, what is red, and what is blue. You can look for stars and stripes around your house. Hope you have fun. See you later. Bye.